In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shifts app not loading in Microsoft Teams. Open the Microsoft Teams desktop app and let it fully load. Once you're on the main Teams screen, look over to the left sidebar and click the three dots for more apps. A pop-up will appear with available apps and tools. In that list, try to locate Shifts. If you don't see it right away, click into the search box at the top of that pop-up and type Shifts slowly and clearly so it appears in the results. When Shift shows up, right-click it, then click Pin. This places the app directly on your left sidebar, so it's easier to access and can also help if the issue is tied to how the app is being loaded from the app menu. If Shifts is still not loading properly, the next thing to do is clear the Teams cache. This is one of the most effective fixes when Teams apps get stuck, fail to open, or keep showing a blank screen. First, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar and find the small upward arrow that shows hidden icons. Click that arrow, then look for the Microsoft Teams icon in the system tray. Right-click the Teams icon and choose Quit Teams. Make sure Teams closes completely before moving on. Now press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, enter the Teams cache folder path shown on screen. If needed, pause and copy it from the pinned comment. After you enter the path, click OK or press Enter. A folder will open with Teams cache files and folders inside it. Click inside that folder, then press Ctrl+A to select everything. Once all files and folders are highlighted, delete them. If a few files refuse to delete, that usually means Teams is still running somewhere in the background, so close it again from the system tray and try one more time. After the cache has been cleared, open Microsoft Teams again from the Start menu or from your taskbar. Give it a moment to launch. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your work or school account and let Teams load completely. Once you're back in, check whether the Shifts app now opens normally. If it still isn't working, the next fix is to make sure Teams is fully updated. With Teams open, go to the top right corner and click the three dots next to your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. In the Settings area, look to the left sidebar and scroll if needed, until you see About Teams near the bottom. Click that. This section shows your current Teams version, and if an update is available, Teams usually starts downloading it automatically in the background. Give it a little time here and watch for any update activity or messages that indicate Teams is refreshing to apply the new version. Once the update finishes, don't just leave Teams open. Close it properly again so the update can fully apply. Go back to the bottom right corner of the taskbar, click the upward arrow, find the Teams icon in the system tray, right-click it, and choose Quit Teams. Then reopen Teams from the Start menu or taskbar and let it launch fresh. After it opens, test Shifts again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the Shifts app still won't load after clearing cache and updating Teams, the issue may not be on your computer at all. It could be a Microsoft service problem affecting Teams or Shifts. To check that, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center website. If needed, pause and copy the website address from the pinned comment so you can enter it correctly. Make sure you sign in with an admin account, because the Service Health area is only available with the right permissions. After you sign in, look at the left sidebar in the Admin Center. Click Health. When that expands, click Service Health. This page shows current issues, outages, advisories, and degraded service alerts across Microsoft services. Take a careful look through the list and check for anything related to Microsoft Teams or specifically to Shifts. If there's an active issue listed there, that means the problem is likely on Microsoft's side, and in that case, the best option is to wait until the service is restored. If there are no service issues listed, go back to Teams and test Shifts one more time after the fresh restart. At this point, you've pinned the app, cleared the local cache, updated Teams, restarted it properly, and checked Microsoft's service status. Those are the main fixes that solve this problem in most cases. If Shifts opens now, you're all set. If it still doesn't, the next likely step would be to have your Microsoft 365 admin verify that the Shifts app is allowed for your account and that the correct Teams policies are assigned. But in most situations, one of the fixes we just went through gets it working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.